Hey guys, in today's video, we are taking a look at a macOS Sequoia. Apple has added some great new features and changes with this update to the Mac that I wanted to share the top features coming this year to macOS with macOS Sequoia. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. So first things first, these are going to be the Macs compatible with macOS Sequoia this year. We have iMac 2019 or later, Mac Studio 2022 or later, Mac Mini 2018 or later, Mac Pro 2019 or later, iMac Pro 2017 or later, MacBook Air 2020 or later, and a MacBook Pro 2018 or later. So the first thing I want to talk about is Safari. Apple has added some great new changes to Safari, and I want to start off with the ability to resize windows. So on the top left corner, we have the three icons here, but if you hover over the green icon, you now have this new menu right here that says move and resize, and obviously you also have the filled and rearrange. So depending on which window you're in, you can resize and move this window, as you can see right here, on the fly very quickly with these options available here. In the bottom here, we have the ability to rearrange and fill. So right here, let's say I have 4 windows open at once, but I want to make sure that all these windows have the correct size for all the windows here on the screen. All I have to do is choose the 4 icons right here, the image right here, this glyph, and this resizes all the windows to the perfect size to fill the screen. Great for workflows. Really nice new feature macOS Sequoia adds to Safari. Now, this is something that's been available within Windows machines for quite some time, but Windows held a patent that prevented Apple from doing something like this. But I guess Apple now found a way to actually get this perfect resizing of the windows on the fly and even split screen, as you can see right here with macOS Sequoia. Easily one of my favorite new updates to Safari within the latest macOS Sequoia. Now, another great new feature in Safari is the ability to quickly pull relevant information from a website. So if you're browsing a hotel website, for example, you can click on the more information or the highlight buttons here on the browser, and it will pull all the relevant information, address, phone number, etc. As you can see right here, this is an awesome new productivity tool built into Safari within macOS Sequoia that I really love. Just getting that relevant information from different websites on the fly. I think it's a great idea here and a welcome addition to Safari within macOS Sequoia. Now, before we continue, today's video is sponsored by Magical. Now, Magical is an application that uses AI to help you automate your repetitive work, like responding to any conversation with just one click, or instantly moving all of your data from one app to another to autofill forms, and it works on any website. Autocomplete your spreadsheets, database, forms, or electronic health records with rich data from any open tab, helping you save a lot of time and increase your productivity. Writing with AI allows you to overcome writer's block with suggested messages and replies based on context and more. It's the perfect tool to help you find the perfect words every single time. And one of my favorite features, personalized message. Personalized message allows you to reply instantly to any message with just one click. I like to use personalized message to reply to DMs quickly and efficiently, helping me save a lot of time. So make sure to install Magical for free at getmagical.com/iDeviceHelp and start automating all your repetitive tasks. Links, as always, will be available in the description down below. Now, Apple also updated the calculator with some of the new features like Scientific, Programmer, and we also have a lot of the stuff coming to iPadOS and iOS with the new math and notes and the convert options available here with the calculator as well. Apple also added a brand new app called Passwords, and this is where all your passwords will be, from Wi-Fi passwords to passkeys to logins, all your app passwords and credentials. And this is an application available within macOS, iPadOS, and iOS, so all your passwords will sync through iCloud. You have all your passwords and information in one single place with the new password application. Now, Apple has also added new background replacements for FaceTime, so when you're in a FaceTime call, you can actually change the background to any color that you want, any photo that you want from your photo library, or even any of the backgrounds available within macOS, which is a nice welcome addition. And there's iPhone mirroring, easily one of my favorite new features in macOS Sequoia with iOS 18. This is probably the best new feature. You get quick access to all your iPhone applications in your device itself directly on your Mac's display. You can view your notifications, interact with your notifications, and you can access your device while it's locked away in your pocket, so you can go ahead and enjoy your device directly on your Mac without having to unlock it. You get different options. Obviously, you can interact with the OS as you normally would directly on your display. You can launch applications. You can navigate the operating system. Obviously, you have a ton of options to choose from. You also have the ability to launch different applications, go into the app switcher. This is probably the best new feature, right? Now, you also have the ability to make the screen larger, actual size, or smaller. macOS Sequoia and iOS 18, definitely one of the best new features will be iPhone mirroring. Again, you can just interact with your device while it's locked away in your pocket, just like you would if you were just using your device with your own hands. It's a perfect new feature for the iPhone. And that about brings it into this video. Now, Apple will be adding Apple Intelligence, which I'll cover entirely on a separate video, but these are going to be some of the best new features coming to macOS this year, later in late September. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.